Welcome to 5351 Brandon Ridge Way. 6 bedrooms with a luxurious interior packed with upgrades, activities in Fairfax galore, and best of all, an easy commute into the city. When the owners discovered the reserve at Martins Point, they knew it was the community for them. They selected a fantastic plot of land backing to the woods at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac and watched this home being built from the foundation to the finish. Less than 2 miles to the commuter train into DC, surrounded by shopping and dining, and just half a mile away from the school for their 2 teenagers, this really was the perfect home. The owners cared for this home like it was part of the family, putting in over $55,000 into upgrades to create a contemporary forever home. But now, as time has gone on, the kids off to college, they have chosen to downsize and relocate to Florida, bidding a bittersweet farewell to their home. Never lost will be the memories of holiday gatherings, Robinson homecoming, trips to the farmers market, pool parties, and endless games of billiards in the basement. The master suite was their headquarters for relaxation, but there is so much more space in the home, with room for family, friends, and guests. 6 total bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms. There is even a private loft suite. As they begin the next chapter of their lives, they hope you will enjoy the quiet community and the comforting home that they are leaving behind. See all the pictures, learn more, and walk through the home with NG3D at nellisgroup.com/Brandon.